Hey, what's up guys? In this tutorial we are going to classify images through convolutional neural network. So let's begin. Import some modules. Import TensorFlow, STF, import NumPy, as NP, import matplotlib dot pyplot for graphing, splot, import from TensorFlow dot keras, import datasets, import layers for modeling, imports, what should I import? Models. Okay, so these are the modules I have to import. Now let's load the data. Right out there, cipher equal to, so I will be taking the cipher 10 datasets where there will be 10 classes. So just write this out. Datasets dot cipher 10. So I will be loading cipher 10. Now right out there x train and y train out there, and after that x test, y test equal cipher dot load data. Okay, so in the x train I will be having feature values for training the model, and in the y train I will be having the labels for training the model, and in the x test I will be having the features, and in the y test I will be having the labels. So let's see the pictures through graph. For that reason, write out there fig equal to plot dot figure, give a number, figure number, or you can give main out there. Okay, now I have to give the fig size 10 by 10. Now run a for loop. So I will be seeing 25 images for I in range of 25. So I will be seeing 25. Just write ax equal fig dot add. So I will be adding subplot. Subplot of 5 by 5 and I plus 1. Okay, now x dot plot, imshow. So I will be seeing the image imshow equal, what should I write, x frame I. Then I have to give labels. So for giving labels I need to write the class names and make an array of class names. So let's go and make it. So this is the name of class names: airplane, then automobile, bird, blah blah blah. So I have to give a label of each pictures out there. So it's give a label out there of class names. I'll be finding the label index from y train. Okay, that is ith y train, and it is of shape 500 by 1. So I have to take the first element out there. So label is out there. Now I want to x label out there. Now I want to set x streak. So x streaks, keep it blank. Ax dot set white text. Again keep it blank. In the last play I have to show the image, just show the image. Now run the code, wait for a while. Okay, there is an error, subplot. Okay, so there is no set x level out there. Okay, so these are the images out there, you can see, and frog out there, track out there, and these are the levels out there, you can see out there, room was. So I will be taking this image and their levels and make a model which will predict the levels of these images. So let's go and create the model. Just write out there model equal models dot, I'll be creating a sequential model. So now I am going to add layers. So model dot add. Now in the first layer I will be keeping a convolutional layer, and then I will be keeping a max pooling, and then I will be keeping a convolutional layer and again max pooling, and then a flattened layer, and after that I will be keeping a densely connected layer to the outputs. Okay, so let's begin. Add, so layers dot conv 2D, so 2D convolution, and I will be keeping filter of 32, so I'll be giving 32 filters out there, and each of window 3 by 3, so my shape of filters will be 3 by 3. Now I have to give activation out there, so activation equal to tf dot nn dot, so rectify, I'll be giving value. Now model dot layers dot max pooling 2D, and in this layer I will be using 2 by 2, so 2 by 2 window, no activation over there. Okay, now give the third layer, add layers dot conv 2D, and in this layer I will be increasing the number of filters so that the thickness increases, okay, and the length and width decreases. So let's do so. I'll be giving 64, and the window should be again 3 by 3, and okay, it's fine. Now I want to give a activation over there, so give a activation of again rectified linear unit, so nn value, and model dot add dot layers, I'll be using a max pooling layer, and give a window of 3 by 3, you can give 2 by 2 2, so right out there model dot add. Now I will be flattening my layer, so let's flatten my layer. For that reason layers dot add flatten out there. Okay, so if I want to check the summary of my model, model dot summary up to now, so let's see the summary of my model, and just turn this. Okay, there is an error in the line 24, model dot summary, this model has not yet been built. Okay, just comment this out. So model dot sequential, model dot convolutional layer, model dot. Okay, I got the error. So you can see I didn't give any input shape out there. So I have to give an input shape. Let's give shape out there. So input shape should be 32 by 32 by 33. So it is a 3-channel image of 3 by 3 shape. So now comment out this. Let's see the summary of model. So this is the summary out there, and you can see I have a convolutional layer, max pooling, con layer, then max pooling, then flatten layer. Now I will be adding some densely connected layer. So model dot add layers dot dense. Oh, sorry, layers dot dense. Then I'll be giving 120 out there. Okay, and give the activation out there of again rectified linear unit value. Okay, so this is, and I have to add the final layer, output layer. So layers dot dense, and I will be using 10 neurons out there. Okay, so this is my completed model. So let's check. So you can see these are the parameters which I have to solve, okay, through my machine, through my data, training data. Okay, so from the next tutorial I will be continuing from here. I will be make prediction, make fit, then I will give loss function for compiling. So see you then, and thanks for watching.